Good morning everyone. My topic is quotient rule. So there are a formula fx over gx. So gawin natin, we find the different derivative we find the derivative. So our formula is gx times f prime of x. So pag may nakita tayong prime, so ibig sabihin nakaderivative siya. So minus fx times g prime of x over all gx squared. So thereby example, so find the example. So meron tayong example dito. Find the derivative. So y equals 3x squared plus 2x divided by 2x plus 4. So una natin, hanapin natin yung fx. So ang fx natin is ito, 3x. Itong 3x. So yan yung fx natin. So ang gx natin is 2x plus 4. So to use the formula, we find what is derivative of f of x and g of x. So natin yung f natin is 3x squared plus 2x. So gagamitin natin, we apply the power formula. So 2 times 3, so x prime of x, f prime of x is 2 times 3 equals 6, positive 6x. So mag-minus tayo sa component niya ng 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, so plus, and second term is the exponent of variable in second term. So we understood there are visible 1. So 1 times 2 equals positive 2. So mag-minus 1 ulit tayo dyan. So 0, wala na. So positive 2. So nakuha natin yung f prime of x. Next is g prime of x. Yung first derivative of g, kunin natin. So gx natin is 2x plus 4. So hanapin yung g prime nya, equals, so derivative of 2x is 2. So and second term is derivative of 4 naman, which is 0, which is constant. So nakuha na. So ito na yung g prime natin. So ngayon we apply natin yung y prime. So ito, so y prime equals, g natin is 2x plus 4, then f prime natin is 6 times plus 2 minus, ano yung next is f natin ulit is 3x squared, 3 yan, 3x squared plus 2x, and ang g prime of x natin is 2. So it's 2. So okay na, nailagay natin lahat. So isasagutan natin. So y prime, so in first term we apply the FOIL method in inner term. So inner term natin is 2 times 2 times 6, 2 times 6. So 2 times 6 is 12x squared. So next is 2 times 4. So positive 4x. Next is 4 times 6 equals positive 24x. And next is 4 times 2, which is positive e. So next is the second term, we distribute the positive 2 in the binomial. So two times 3 equals 6 squared. So next is 2 times 2 plus 2 is 4x. So next is, nakuha natin over 2x plus 4 squared. So y prime, so 12 minus 6 is 6 squared 2. So 4 times 24 is positive 28. So minus 8, so magiging 24x. So plus 8 overall 2x plus 4 squared. So ito na yung sagot natin. Thank you.